Heartburn is more than just a nuisance. It affects millions of people daily, causing discomfort that can disrupt everyday life. Did you know that about 20% of adults in the United States experience heartburn at least once a week? This common condition occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, leading to a burning sensation in the chest and throat. Understanding the symptoms, causes, and remedies can help you manage this condition effectively. So if you are tired of dealing with this discomfort, you are in the right place. Stay with us to the very end as we uncover 10 simple tricks to incorporate into your daily routine to stop heartburn and relieve acid reflux. Hello, welcome to Essential Cures. Before we dive into the list, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future content on health and wellness. Now let's start by understanding the common symptoms of heartburn. Heartburn manifests through several distinct symptoms, which can vary in intensity. The most common symptoms include burning sensation, a burning feeling in the chest, often behind the breastbone, that typically occurs after eating or when lying down. Chest pain, discomfort or pain in the chest, especially after bending over or lying down. Sour taste, a bitter or sour taste in the mouth caused by stomach acid reaching the throat. Regurgitation, the sensation of food or liquid coming back up into the throat or mouth. Throat irritation, burning at the back of the throat or a persistent sore throat. Chronic cough, a long-term cough that may worsen at night. Hoarseness, changes in voice or hoarseness due to irritation from stomach acid. These symptoms can last from a few minutes to several hours and may worsen after meals or when lying down. If you experience severe pain, especially if accompanied by shortness of breath or cold sweats, seek medical attention immediately, as these could be signs of a heart attack. Causes of heartburn. So heartburn is primarily caused by gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, where stomach contents, including acid, leak back into the esophagus. Common triggers include dietary choices. Foods like spicy dishes, citrus fruits, chocolate, caffeine, and alcohol can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, allowing acid to escape. Lifestyle factors. Being overweight increases abdominal pressure, which can push stomach contents up into the esophagus. Smoking also weakens the LES. Eating habits. Eating large meals or lying down immediately after eating can exacerbate symptoms. Stress. Emotional stress can lead to increased stomach acid production and heightened sensitivity to pain. Foods that relieve heartburn. Incorporating certain foods into your diet can help alleviate heartburn symptoms. Here are some foods known for their soothing properties. 1. High-fiber foods. Foods rich in fiber help you feel full longer and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Oatmeal is particularly beneficial as it absorbs stomach acid. Other high-fiber options include whole grain bread, brown rice, quinoa, and green vegetables like broccoli and asparagus. 2. Bananas. This low-acid fruit helps neutralize stomach acid by coating the esophagus lining. Bananas are also rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. 3. Salad greens. Mild leafy greens like lettuce and spinach are alkaline and easy on the gut. A plant-based Mediterranean diet heavy in such produce has been associated with fewer acid reflux symptoms. 4. Dairy products. Low-fat milk and yogurt can act as a temporary buffer against stomach acid. They coat the esophagus and may provide relief from irritation. Opt for skim or low-fat varieties to avoid high-fat content that could worsen symptoms. 5. Ginger. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues. Drinking ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to meals can help soothe the stomach and reduce inflammation. 6. Melons. Fruits like watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew are low in acid and can help relieve heartburn symptoms while providing hydration and nutrients. 7. Lean meats. Choose lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, and fish prepared by grilling or baking instead of frying. These options are less likely to trigger heartburn compared to fatty meats. 8. Egg whites. Egg whites are low in fat and high in protein, making them a great choice for breakfast or meals without triggering reflux symptoms. 9. Root vegetables. Vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots are mild and filling options that can help prevent heartburn while providing essential nutrients. 10. Non-citrus fruits. Fruits like apples, pears, and berries are less likely to trigger reflux compared to acidic fruits like oranges or pineapples. They offer vitamins and fiber without aggravating heartburn. And finally, here we are. Remedies for heartburn. In addition to incorporating these foods into your diet, here are 10 simple tricks to help stop heartburn. 1. Identify trigger foods. Keep a food diary to pinpoint which foods trigger your heartburn. 2. Adjust your eating habits. Consume smaller meals more frequently rather than large portions. 3. Stay upright after meals. Avoid lying down for at least 2 to 3 hours after eating. 4. Elevate your head while sleeping. Raising the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches can prevent nighttime heartburn. 5. Wear loose clothing. Tight clothing can put pressure on your stomach. Opt for loose-fitting garments. 6. Chew gum. Chewing sugar-free gum increases saliva production, which helps neutralize stomach acid. 7. Drink baking soda water. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda and water can provide temporary relief, but should not be used frequently. 8. Try aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice may help soothe the esophagus. Drink a small amount before meals for relief. 9. Maintain a healthy weight. Losing even a small amount of weight can significantly reduce heartburn symptoms. 10. Quit smoking. If you smoke, quitting can improve your symptoms as smoking relaxes the LES and increases acid production in the stomach. By incorporating these foods and strategies into your daily routine, you can effectively manage heartburn and improve your quality of life. If symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment options. Taking proactive steps today can lead to a more comfortable tomorrow. If you find this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos on health and wellness. We appreciate your support and engagement. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, please let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are committed to providing you with valuable information to support your well-being. Wishing you all the best, and see you on the next video.